So the Samsung is about to launch its new flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It is expected to be announced on February 25th, 2026 at the Galaxy Unpacked event. And based on the leaks, the phone looks very powerful. So in this video, I will tell you that everything you need to know in simple words. So let's get into it. First of all, the design. So the Galaxy S26 Ultra will keep a premium ultra look with the camera layout, and it will have a titanium frame most probably, and which will make it strong and more lighter. If we talk about the corners of the phone, so that will be rounded more than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The camera area on the back might look cleaner and more compact. For the display, we will get a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display which will have a QHD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Also, there is this main highlight of this phone, that is the privacy display, which may reduce the side viewing angles so people next to you can't clearly see your screen. On the performance side, so the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor. This is a 3nm processor, which means that faster performance, better gaming. It may come with a 12GB or 16GB of RAM, and the storage options will start from 256GB. Most probably the 1TB one will get the 16GB of RAM. There will be 256, 512 and 1TB of storage sizes. And obviously with no expandable storage, you won't be able to increase the storage with the memory card. If you talk about the battery and charging, so the battery is going to be the same. According to the rumors, the 5000 mAh battery is expected with the upgraded 60-watt wired charging and a 25-watt wireless charging. If you talk about the software and AI, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will likely come with the Android 16 and the One UI 8.5. Samsung is also promising the 7 years of Android update, which is great, and AI features will be even smarter this year, including better photo editing, live translation during the calls, and writing help. Now the camera, the main highlight, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come with a 200 megapixel of main camera with a better low light performance with a 50 megapixel of ultra wide and a 50 megapixel of periscope camera with a 10 megapixel of telephoto with 3x of zoom. Talking about the front camera, so that is expected to come with a 12 megapixel. If we talk about the colors, so there will be 4 standard colors: black, white, cobalt violet and sky blue. So Samsung is expected to announce the phone on February 25th, and the pre-orders might start the next day, and you can get the phone around March on 11th. So if all these rumors are true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be faster, smarter and more refined. It is not a huge redesign, but it looks like a solid upgrade. Now let me know in the comment section that are you planning to buy it, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe and drop your thoughts of this Galaxy S26 Ultra in the comment section below.